Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. We're glad that you're here. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
Together, we're Backyard Musing, Science and Technology Channel.
Yeah, and we're talking about what Steve called a cute little dinosaur. I don't know how any dinosaur could be considered cute because they have teeth, but
Amazing teeth.
we're going to talk about it.
Scientists discovered Doolysaurus, a baby dinosaur from Korea revealed through CT scanning. The fossil shows a small, likely fuzzy omnivore and suggests more hidden dinosaur remains in the region. In South Korea, a mischievous green cartoon dinosaur named Dooly, known for the two small tufts of hair on his head. Let me throw up this picture here.
Okay, who pronounces it dinosaur?
Jurassic Park. I got it from the movie.
Oh, okay.
The cartoon animation guy calls it dinosaur.
Okay.
Known for the two small tufts of hair on his head, is one of the most beloved cartoon characters. When researchers from the University of Texas at Austin and the Korean Dinosaur Research Center uncovered a new juvenile dinosaur species on Aphae Island, they chose a fitting name, Doolysaurus. Would you like to know more?
Okay, here's a quote. Dooly is one of the very famous, iconic dinosaur characters in Korea. Every generation in Korea knows this character, says Jong Yoon Jong, a visiting postdoctoral researcher at the, is that University of Texas again?
Yep.
UT's Jackson School of Geosciences, who led the research. Going on with a quote, and our specimen is also a juvenile or baby, so it's perfect for our dinosaur species named honor Dooly.
This find marks the first new dinosaur species identified in South Korea in 15 years, and the first fossil from the country to include parts of a skull. Those skull elements were revealed through a scientific micro CT scan at the University of Texas high-resolution X-ray computed tomography facility.
All right. The research describing Doolysaurus, humini, was published in the journal Fossil Record on March 19th of this year. The species named humini honors Korean paleontologist Min Hu. I'm pronouncing that right. Min Hu. You got it. Who has spent more than 30 years studying dinosaurs in Korea. Founded the Dinosaur Research Center and worked with the UNESCO, UNESCO, to protect fossil sites. The fossil itself was discovered in 2023. Wow, very recent. By co-author Hyman Zhou.
The specimen is estimated to have been about 2 years old at the time of death and still growing. It was roughly the size of a turkey. While adults may have reached about twice that size, researchers believe it may have been covered in fine, fuzzy filaments.
Okay, so these are not dinosaurs like we think about, like giant man-eating dinosaurs. Although a turkey, I guess, if it wanted to, a bite at a time could eat a man.
Compies were tiny little dinosaurs that when there was a dozen of them, they'd tear you apart, but just one, nothing.
Yeah. Much of the fossil remains embedded in hard rock, a process that can take nearly a decade to remove by hand. However, micro CT scanning allowed scientists to visualize the entire fossil in just a few months. Jung, Clark, and their colleagues then spent over a year studying its anatomy. Clark noted that CT scanning has become essential for examining delicate fossils, including birds and small non-avian dinosaurs preserved in dense rock.
So do we know if this was small Clark or big Clark?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Doolysaurus lived about 113 to 94 million years ago during the mid-Cretaceous period. Based on its skeletal features, researchers classified it as a thessalosauride, a group of bipedal dinosaurs found in East Asia and North Africa that may have had fuzzy coverings. Growth markers in a thin slice of femur bone confirmed that the specimen was a juvenile.
The fossil also contained dozens of gastroliths, small stones swallowed to aid digestion. Wow. These suggest the Isn't that what some animals like chickens and birds do, right? They eat gravel and stuff to help them digest what they eat.
Huh.
These suggest the dinosaur ate a varied diet that included plants, insects, and small animals. Their presence also prompted researchers to investigate further. Because gastroliths are lightweight and easily displaced, their intact arrangement hinted that more of the skeleton might be preserved inside the rock.
Quote, a small cluster of stomach stones with 2 leg bones sticking out indicates that the animal was not fully pulled apart before it has hit the fossil record, Clark said. So I encourage Jung and co-authors Ming-Guk Kim and Hyman Zhou to visit Texas and the UTCT to try scanning the fossil.
Kim and Zhou are now applying CT scanning techniques they learned at the Jackson School to study additional fossils in Korea. Jung also plans to return to Aphae Island to search for more specimens. While South Korea is well known for fossilized dinosaur tracks, nests, and eggs, complete skeletal remains are relatively rare. I wonder why that is.
Jung, maybe there wasn't like peat bogs to cover them up, or tar pits. Jung believes more fossils like Doolysaurus may still be hidden within rock layers. He hopes that continued use of micro CT scanning will lead to further discoveries. Quote, we're expecting some new dinosaur or other egg fossils to come from Aphae and other small islands, he said.
Okay, there you have it. The Koreans are on it.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Yeah. I have not heard of this Doolysaurus, but I can't say that anymore. So
that's brand new. They just named it. Yeah, so that's cool. All right, folks, thanks for joining us.
Okay, we'll see you. Have a good day, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.